Hey guys, so if you ever run into an issue where if you push this button here and it's in steam mode and this is getting like to 240, 250 degrees and the K41, K42 contactors are not disengaging on these 1010 ESI combi ovens, and you get like an error code 23, what it is it's not sensing the steam, and that can be because of a couple of reasons. Either A, if it is steaming, in this case is what this was doing, check this gasket, make sure it's in place and not bad. This one's fine. Or your B5 probe, which is this one right here that goes to the front to this little T-fitting, is not sensing the steam. So what you need to do is just go in here, make sure that hole back there is cleared out, because the steam will go through it, down a hose, down an elbow, through this hose here, and and it'll touch this probe here, and it's how it tells there's steam. If that hole is clogged up, it'll constantly heat, because this keeps trying to produce steam, and it's going to keep spraying water, and it's going to be billowing a lot of steam. Just stick something in there, clear it out, because you'll see it's got a lot of calcium buildup here. You know, kind of clear that hole out, and then that usually will take care of the problem. If not, then you may need to change out that probe. That hose can be restricted, that runs to the back there somewhere, or you may have to change out that B5 probe. So, just a little quick video for you guys.